Welcome back to Let's Cook with Pam Kitchen, and today we are going to make chapati, layered chapatis using the oldest and the best chapati. Is it oil or fat? Fat cowboy. This one I remember even my grandmother used it. This is the best chapati fat I know. Those ones who believed you had to know how to make chapatis to be a girl. So this is what we are going to use. And my guest today is Fanis, who is going...
Hello.
Who is a chapati guru, who is going to help us through this one. So take us away.
This is my wheat flour. And this is my mixing bowl. We are going to add little salt and sugar.
So the sugar is actually more than the salt?
Yeah, but you add it to your taste.
Okay.
So we are going to mix it. After mixing, we'll add our cowboy.
So you mix it until it feels like sand or something? No?
Yeah. This way.
Okay.
So I'll be using warm water.
Why not cold?
This is chapati. Cold water I only use in samosas, not in chapati.
Okay.
But there are some people who use cold water.
It still turns out okay?
Yeah, when you give it time to relax.
Oh.
You add water kidogo kidogo.
I can see it already has the yellow color even before you start cooking.
That is the goodness of cowboy.
The chapatis are appealing.
Yeah.
You can see you need until the bowl is completely clean.
Yeah, the bowl has to be clean. Also your hands.
You have to be clean.
Yeah.
Actually, your hands are clean.
Yeah, you have to make sure the hands are clean, no need of washing.
It's supposed to be bouncy.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can give your dough some time to relax.
Like 15 minutes?
Yes.
Okay. Now 15 minutes are over. And I think our dough has rested enough. So now we are going to roll it or something. Are we going to roll it?
Yeah. First you dust it. Then you roll it.
Yeah, there are some people who divide, at this point they divide it into balls, different balls, and roll it out individually. But if you are making chapatis in mass, then you can go through this route.
After rolling, we are going to apply our cowboy again. Even this one we will use.
Don't waste.
Yeah.
Okay.
After applying, we are going to cut it. After cutting, we are going to roll it into balls.
So it depends on how large you want your chapatis or how small you want them. Some people prefer you eat one chapati and you just rest for a week. Just make sure you have no wastages. You can always add the dough to any other bowl so that you don't throw any of your dough. So at this point, it's just a part of rolling and frying. So I'll be the mtu wa mkono, I'll be doing the frying. So you can start rolling.
Sawa.
I've seen people saying chapati is the pan. Is it really the pan or the technique? Share your thoughts in the comments, because I don't think it's the pan, if you ask me.
So you roll your chapati. No, your dough. Chapati is when it is ready. In a circular way.
Yes.
As you can see, it is round. No maps.
No map of Africa.
No.
My pan is hot. You know your chapatis are cooking well when they start making bubbles. This is how you tell that you're going to have layers in your chapati. You can see. So we are going to, at this point we are going to put some cowboy. Fanny's told us we should not waste cowboy, so I'm taking the one on the lid, she had said. At this point, I prefer putting another chapati on top to give me somewhere to hold. So our chapatis are done. You can see they're evenly cooked. There are many layers which we are going to show you. So maybe Fannis is able to open the layers. Wahesabie moja moja the pages. You can open and just see the number of pages. This is what we are talking about. You see, when you make chapati, it should be like this, pages. Now this is a real chapati, imeiva ndani. So you see, your chapati should look like this. Isikuwe tu one thick something. And then isiive tu hapo katikati and the sides are raw. Na isiive na dot moja moja. You know that
sometimes rolling matters. You can find someone rolling in the center only, not minding about the
sides. Yeah.
So the center will become lighter.
So and it becomes dry. Yes.
That is the problem.
Yeah.
Or sometimes they'll put more oil.
Yes.
Then it will be heated that center.
So it cracks. It's like some crisps in the middle.
Yes.
And the sides are thick. They are ugali like. This is how we make our chapatis. I would like to hear from you just to understand how you make yours, which recipes, what do you add. And just to remind you that originally a girl who couldn't cook chapatis could not stay in her marriage because her in-laws would chase her away. It was a measure of whether a woman was wife material or not. So you can follow me on Instagram as Let's Cook with Pam KE. I'm also on Facebook as Pamellah Oduor. See you in the next episode.